Hi, welcome to Hard Reset Info channel. Today viewers, in front of me NOKIA G42, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean the USB charging port with household items on this device. So firstly, remember one rule: never clean your USB charging port using metal objects to not to damage your USB port. I suggest you use an old toothbrush that you no longer use. So, as you can see, there is something in my port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way to the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So firstly, you need to insert one part of the brush. So you can have the soft brush, and you can have more not soft brush, and sometimes we need one type of the brush, sometimes even the other one. So it's better idea to have several brushes at home. And great, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you.